Hello guys, my name is Pushkaraj Shinde. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to tell you about mm, the central dogma of life. So the central dogma of the molecule is the biology is the theory stating that genetic information flows into the one direction from DNA to RNA, RNA to protein, and RNA directly to the protein. The two process the two process is involved in the two processes are involved in the central dogma of the transition central dogma. The first one is the transcription, and second one is the transition. In September 1956, the Francis Crick gave a lecture in which he outlined the key ideas about gene function in what he called as the central dogma. So DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA means ribonucleic acid. The DNA is a double standard, and RNA is a single standard. So DNA whatever DNA we are having in our body, it replicates at its own, but RNA in our body does not replicate as its own. The central dogma suggested that the information present in DNA is essential to make up all the proteins. RNA acts as a messenger that carries information through the ribosome. In simple word, DNA is very important in human life, or in human cell, because the whatever information about the genetic information is present into the DNA. What all the information of a human life is present in the one DNA. So that's why DNA is important. The central dogma plays in the two different steps. First is the transcription, and second one is the translation. So now let's see about the transcription. It is the process by which the information is transferred from one strand of DNA to RNA by the enzymes. The RNA polymers. The DNA strand which undergoes this process consists of three parts. First one is the promoter, second one is structural, and third one is the termination. The DNA strand that synthesizes the RNA is called the template strand, and other standard is the coding strand. The DNA polymerase binds to the parameter and catalyzes the polymerization in the 3 to 5 direction. In approach the terminator sequence, it is the terminates and releases the new drug strand. Then the second one is the translation. It is the process by which the RNA codes for specific proteins. That it is in simple you want to say that it is the process by which the RNA codes of specific, that is it means the protein have a specific code, that is which is given by the RNA. It is required energy and provide charge to RNA molecule. It contains energy and charges that change the molecule. Now the ribosome. The ribosome submit consists of the two RNA molecule placed close enough so that peptide bond can be formed. The mRNA enters the smallest submit, which held the third molecule of the DNA. So the DNA strand that synthesizes the RNA is called the template and strand, and other strand is also called coding strand. So in simple word, the DNA and RNA is very important for human growth and human life. The complementary code, in RNA, the complementary codon present in the larger bundles. Thus the two codes are held by the two tRNA molecule placed close to each other, and peptide bond is formed between two. between two RNA. It is the process requires the long polypeptide chains of amino acid and synthesize. So here is some information about dozen of the life. Thank you for watching this video.